Have you ever experienced when you are talking about a particular topic, but people talk over your conversation and you feel unheard and ignored? Being an introvert is not a weakness. Only you need to learn is how you can use your voice wisely. And in this video, I'm going to exactly do that. You will learn how you can make people listen to you, and not only that, how you can become more confident in communication. If you are new here, hit the subscribe button and support our mission to make 10,000 subscribers by the end of 2025. And let me take you forward in this video. So then the first thing that you need to do is the pause, pitch and punch technique. People listen to those who command attention, not to those who talk the most. So the pause, pitch, punch technique will help you to exactly do that. Now, before you start your conversation, take a pause. This will create curiosity in the people, in the audience, and help you gain the control over the conversation. Second is pitch. Start your conversation with slightly lower pitch. This will make you sound more confident and authoritative. Punch. End your conversation with an impactful command. Do not end with the filler words like okay, sure, go with it, like that. Okay. For example, if you want to share an idea and you think that it is going to work, instead of sharing that, I think this idea will work, say like this: I know this idea and this strategy will get us the result. Let's implement it. Do you feel it will make an impact? So try this technique in your next conversation and see how you transform your communication. The second step is the structuring your thoughts for clear communication. Have you ever noticed that you have started a conversation and eventually you lost the track of the point that you wanted to make? The reason is you are having the scattered thoughts in your mind. These 3 steps will help you fix it. Number 1, start with the main idea. What core message that you want to give to the audience? Second, 1 or 2 supporting points like why this idea is important or what impact it is going to make. And the third, end with an impactful actionable items like clear strategy step by step that you feel that is required to take that action or implement that action. For example, if you want to speak up about your idea, speak like this: hey, I know this idea is going to work. Action number 1, we need to take this which will help us to achieve this results. So let us implement. When you are speaking with the structured thoughts, the listeners will definitely pay attention to you, and not even that, they will start following your instructions. And if you are finding this videos valuable, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and support our mission to hit the 10,000 subscribers by the end of 2025. And my name is Dr. Harit Bhatt, and I am on the mission to transform professionals fed up with their EMI lives to help them live the life of freedom. Now let us look at the point number 3. The 3 is voice modulation tricks to sound confident and powerful. You know, when you are starting to speak, you need to lower your tone at the end of every statement. This will help grabbing the attention of the listeners and the audience. And when you want to say something very important, you need to emphasize on those key points. You need to raise your tone. And the third you need to do is slow down. Allow people to digest whatever you have said and take pauses. Because if you speak very fast, people would think that you are nervous and they will think that you are not an authority, and you will lose that connection with them. So follow this simple technique that will help you to build the influence to grab the attention of the listeners or the audience. Your voice is important. Your idea matters. So if you practice this pause, pitch, punch technique, structuring your thoughts before speaking up, and practicing the voice modulation, see how your communication gets transformed. If you found this valuable, hit the subscribe Click on the like button and share it with the people whom you think this video can help to speak up their idea confidently. Till now, bye bye, take care, stay happy, stay healthy, and I will see you in the other video.